Hello, I'm here.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Samantha.
Joaquin Phoenix falling in love with his AI girlfriend in Her. It seemed like pure science fiction back in 2013. But guess what? After OpenAI's big release of GPT-4o, that crazy idea is starting to feel a lot more real. In the movie, Theodore gets really close to his AI, Samantha, voiced by Scarlett Johansson. Now, with GPT-4o, our chats with AI are getting way more advanced. Let's check it out and see how it is blurring the lines between humans and AI like never before. Hey there, and how are you doing? So yeah, OpenAI just released GPT-4o. The O stands for Omni, and it can interact with you through audio, vision and text. And on top of that, it is free to use. Next to showing you all its capabilities, I will show you how you can use and what money-making strategies it can offer. Okay, first up, let's see what it can do. OpenAI released a ton of videos yesterday. Let's go quickly through them so you'll get a nice overview. Okay, this is the first one.
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
From what I can see, it looks like you're in some kind of recording or production setup. With those lights, tripods, and possibly a mic, it seems like you might be gearing up to shoot a video, or maybe even a live stream.
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing? By using the camera on your phone, it can see and interact with it. And the voice sounds so realistic. You can also make two GPTs interact with each other.
That sounds interesting. I'm ready to help out and describe whatever's needed. Let's do it.
All right, let's get started.
Great. Hello there, new AI friend. I'm O, ready to explore the world through your eyes. What are we looking at today?
Hi, O. We're looking at a person wearing a black leather jacket and a light-colored shirt. They're in a room with a modern industrial feel, with exposed concrete or plaster on the ceiling and some interesting lighting. There's also a plant in the background, adding a touch of green to the space. Anything specific you'd like to know or explore?
Hey there. Sounds like quite the stylish scene. I'm already intrigued by the modern industrial vibe.
And yes, they can sing too.
It's like a little glimpse into
Thank
the
you
personality.
both. Really appreciate it. All right, and actually, can you just sing a song about what just transpired?
Oh, in a room with a stylish view, a person stood in sleek black and light hue. Engage with us so
And can you alternate lines?
Person with style and speed, person with style and sleek, with a playful moment right in the midst, in the room, in a room where modern lights speak.
Only one line at a time and then stop.
In a room where modern lights speak.
I love how fast the bots answer and that you can interrupt them mid-sentence. And guys, you can also use her as your translator. Look at this.
Sure, I can do that. Let's get this translation train rolling.
Hey, how's it been going? Have you been up to anything interesting recently?
Hola, ¿cómo te ha ido? ¿Has hecho algo interesante últimamente?
Hola, bien. Sí, un poco ocupado aquí preparando un evento para la semana que viene.
Hey, I've been good. Just a bit busy here preparing for an event next week.
Can you tell me anything about it? That sounds really interesting.
¿Me puedes contar algo sobre eso? Suena realmente interesante.
It is insane how good she is. She can also whisper some lullabies.
Absolutely, let's make it soft and gentle. Oh, majestic potato, spoons up close.
Okay, it's a little too whispery. Maybe go like a little louder.
Got it. Let's find that sweet spot. Oh, majestic potato, in the moon soft glow.
All right, that's pretty awesome. Let's put those potatoes in Iceland.
Potatoes in Iceland coming right up. Let's set the scene. Oh, majestic potato in Iceland's
Okay,
too.
thank you.
She can interact in a FaceTime meeting.
Interesting points. Sounds like we've got a classic dogs versus cats debate here. I can see the appeal of both. Dogs are super loyal and great companions. But cats have their own charm with their independence and low-maintenance lifestyle.
Who likes cats?
It sounds like Ola is more of a cat person.
And who
How
like
about the rest
dogs?
of you? Lillian mentioned she likes dogs.
She also has sarcasm.
I'd like you to be super sarcastic. Everything you say from now on is just going to be dripping in sarcasm. How does that sound?
Oh, that sounds just amazing. Being sarcastic all the time isn't exhausting or anything. I'm so excited for this. Nope, the sarcasm. Let's get this party started, or whatever.
And this one also really stood out to me. Samantha, GPT-4o, can act as a tutor to teach your child anything you would like. For example, she can help with math problems.
Can you find which one is the hypotenuse?
Oh, okay, I see. So, I think the hypotenuse is this really long side from A to B. Would that be correct?
Exactly, well done. Now that you've identified the hypotenuse, can you identify which side is the opposite side to angle alpha?
You can point it at an object, and she will give a description of it in another language if you want.
Cool. What are these objects in Spanish?
The objects you're showing are una manzana and un plátano in Spanish. Nice fruit choice.
Cool. What about these?
Those are dos polígrafos or dos plumas in Spanish.
You can let her be the referee of your rock, paper, scissors game.
And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the ultimate showdown of the century. In this corner, we have the dynamic duo, Alex and Miana, ready to throw down in a
Okay, just count us in.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, shoot. Now, show your hands. What did you pick?
Who won?
Would you look at that? It's a tie. Wow.
Okay, let's do it again.
Round 2, here
She
we
can
go.
help you with your appearance.
I just need to know, do I look presentable, professional?
Well, Rocky, you definitely have the I've been coding all night look down, which could actually work in your favor. Maybe just run a hand through your hair or lean into the mad genius vibe. Your enthusiasm is what's really going to shine through.
I don't have a lot of time, so I'm just gonna throw this on. What do you think?
Oh, Rocky, that's quite a statement piece. I mean, you'll definitely stand out.
Oh boy, this one really gives that her movie vibes. Yes, 00, it really seems like it. Show her your dog.
I want to introduce you to somebody.
Well, hello there, cutie. What's your name, little fluffball?
This is Bowser.
Well, hello, Bowser. Aren't you just the most adorable little thing?
Yeah.
Look at you enjoy.
You can even let her be your eyes and describe your surroundings.
Try and tell me exactly what they're doing right now, please.
Right now, the ducks are gently gliding across the water. They're moving in a fairly relaxed manner, not in a hurry. Occasionally, one of them will dip its head under the water, probably looking for food, and then pop back up.
And lastly, go ahead and invite her to your birthday party.
That's correct. Today is my friend Jordan's birthday.
Yeah, you got it. I was hoping that you could sing me the birthday song.
Of course. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jordan. Happy birthday to Jordan. Blah, 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 blah. Don't forget.
So now that you know what she can do for you, let's check out how you can use her for yourself. It is really simple. Just go to ChatGPT and you will see this pop up. And when you're on mobile, you will see these icons that pop up out of the blue. Right now there is limited access, so be quick. But how can we make money with this? Well, first and foremost, I think of it as a tool that can speed up and enhance your productivity and creativity. The first thing I thought about was the healthcare, where people interact with GPT-4o, show her how they feel, and then she will make the decisions and appointments according to your needs. But I think the real money lies in training the GPT-4o bot, like a virtual assistant for customer service, for various businesses across the world. The bot will also be perfect for cold calling people and selling them stuff. So yeah, I think you should make GPT-4o work for you, like free employees. Instruct her in a way to make money for you. Sounds like postmodern slavery. But yes, guys, there are a million ways to make $1 million. And I will be making way more videos talking about all the possibilities with AI and making money online. So yeah, that's it. Now it's up to you. Check it out for yourself and discover all her possibilities. And be careful to not fall in love. Have a lot of fun, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.